Okay, so today we are going to make banana pudding, or you can actually make butterscotch, you can make chocolate, you can actually make vanilla. So any flavor you like, any of those packaged Jell-O pudding, cook and serve is the quickest and easiest. And of course, you know me, I'm pretty sure by now that I try to find my quickest and easiest. This actually developed by myself, because I see that they make my favorite treat, banana cream pudding, hard. So I said there gotta be an easier method. So this is what I come up with. Okay. Today I am actually making the banana cream. So you will need a cup. They call for 2 cups of milk. Okay. Because this is banana. This is a rice pudding. I want to. You have to add cream into it so it can make creamier. So you would need half. I'll put all the recipe in the description. Okay. You would need half a cup of light cream or heavy cream, your choice. You want creamier, heavy cream. You will need 2 cups of milk, okay, and 1 package of this, and 1 cup of white rice. That's it. I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to measure everything in the pan. I'm going to heat it all up so that way we can speed this video up, okay? Okay, so I brought this up to just a little bit hot. Sorry, I didn't get the measurement correctly. It is actually 2.5 cup of milk and half a cup of cream. So it's a total of 3. Although this recipe called for 2, it's because we're adding rice in there. We have to add 1 cup, split, half and half, cream and milk. Like I said, you can actually use a full cup of cream if you like, if you want really creamier. In my case, I want to save my cream for my coffee, so I only do half. Okay. Now during this time, you have to stir. Okay. Once you see the steam coming like this, you see those little steam like that, you have to keep on stirring, or else it'll burn. Okay, that's what I've learned. And I measure my stuff ready right here. A little bit over a cup. I add a little bit extra in. And now I'm going to stir in my banana cream mixed. And the reason why I like doing this way is because it's prevented from clumping. Once it's hot, it's actually harder to clump. That's how I've learned it. You can do it whatever you want. But this is like a 5-minute thing. Because I'm doing videos, I have to do step by step so people can understand, or easy to do. But this is like, if I develop this, it could be easy, right? Gotta be easy. If I'm gonna develop something, it's gonna be easy. Okay, now you see how it's thickened up? Don't let it thicken up all the way. Okay, make sure all your stuff is melted fast. And now you dump your rice in there. And let it absorb. Okay? During this time, you have to stir. Now remember, It would be your choice if you want more or less of rice. Okay? It is already sweet enough. You do not need to add sugar to the rice. The rice will soak the sugar up on its own. And if you see the steam leaving, that's pretty good right there. That's an indication. And oh, by the way, I use plastic to stir this because I don't want to introduce metal to my food. That's the one thing that I do not like, is metal in my food. The worst metal in your food is when it has vinegar. Vinegar, like apple cider vinegar, or eating a salad with vinegar in it or stuff like that. Don't use if you're eating it, don't use plastic. Use plastic fork. Do not use metal, any type of metal. The reason why for that is because you're introducing metal. Okay, you're gonna shut off the heat now. Once you start to see these little bubbles like this, yeah, just shut off your heat. You're all done. I'm trying to speed up this a little bit better. I'm trying to blow up the rice even more than it is. And that's it. But back to the story. When you're eating anything acidic, use plastic fork. When you're cooking anything with acidic in it, with vinegar or anything in it, use plastic or wood. Okay? Because vinegar will make acidic. The acidic will release metal into your food. Or like you're chewing or whatever. So remember that tip, okay? So now we're all done. We're going to let it cool down. Take it off the heat. Once you start seeing the, like a volcano is starting to pop up like that, that's when you know you're done. But you got to continue to stir this for just a little bit or else it'll stick on the bottom. And then put this in your fridge. You can serve it hot or you can serve it cold. But we're all done. You see how easy that is. The best thing to do is not to stick this in the fridge right away. Put this on the side of a cool burner. This will help the rice to open up more. Because remember, we're using instant rice. Instant rice needs water. In this case, we rely on cream to open it up. So it actually sucked all the moisture from the cream. And that's why we want it to be creamier. Because it's a rice pudding. So literally you can make this any type. In this case, I want to make banana. Because my dad likes banana pudding. And he's coming over today. So I'm going to make a little rice pudding. Anyway, that is it. And this is all set. In the end, I'm going to show you what it looked like. Okay, so this is what they look like after I am done. I put them in a container like this and stick them in the fridge. I'll put a lid on afterward for later. But I put them in a little container like this so you guys can see. Now you see how this is the way I like it. Like, see how not liquidy? In the store, they make them really liquidy. I don't like that. But if you like that, then you would have to add like probably another cup of milk into it. But this is my recipe. I like them like, they act like thick pudding. More like it. But that's how we serve them. And remember to serve them in plastic. I have nothing against metal. It's just that I don't like to introduce metal into my food. I use a lot of glass and plastic, although I'm not too keen on plastic. Most of the time I use glass or porcelain. Sorry, it's a little cold today, so I'm a little shaky. But anyway, other than that, that's about it. And that's what they look like. They taste really awesome. There's another method that but I don't know how to make it. It's called glutinous rice. And what they prefer that is sweet rice. I don't really know how to cook that because they don't have sweet rice in these. So this is just plain rice. If you want to make it sweet, this is already sweet enough already. The banana cream is already sweet enough already. But if you want more sweet, you can add more sugar to it. But the first batch that you're trying, I wouldn't advise you to do so. And yes, you can sprinkle cinnamon on that, and that also tastes good too. You can get them in vanilla. You can get them the banana cream. That's what we made. You can make them in chocolate, and you can make them butterscotch too. So literally, you can make butterscotch, rice pudding. You can make chocolate rice pudding. You can make banana cream rice pudding, and you can make vanilla rice pudding. So to be honest, it's like limitless using this type. And it's quick, simple, and easy. It takes less than 5 minutes to do. Because in reality, you just have to bring the Jell-O and the milk. Actually bring the milk to not a boiling point, but bubbling point. When it's hot enough, you just dump everything in and then you leave it on the side. But anyway, I hope you would give this a try, because it's a nice treat, especially in the winter. And you can eat it hot or cold. And then another thing too, if you want more cream, you can actually add more cream into this and stir it around, and it'll be cold, and it tastes really good too, like creamy too. Also too, we have tried coconut milk. That's another thing too. If you put coconut milk in, it actually tastes really creamy. So I mean, like I said, limitless doing this, and it's so easy using the minute rice. Anyway, I hope this is helpful to you. This is my method. I do not know any other method because I tried to look for any other method, and a lot of people didn't really make the way that is quick and easy and fast, and you can just get these things for like 99 cents. So you literally, like 99 cents, you can make like a big thing of treats with it. Of course, this is a treat. You don't eat like the whole container. I mean, this is here we're going to share with 3 people. So that's what's going to happen. But anyway, I hope this is helpful to you. And I hope you would give it a try when you get a chance. And it's pretty easy to make, as you can see. And enjoy. Okay? I'll see you in the next video.